was able to earn $10. However, in the month of April and May, I've been able to go up to $900 a month. I really wanted to thank Losico. I had joined the business bootcamp course last year in the month of March. However, I could not really explore through the course till December this year. And I got the chance to enroll myself in the very first course that it had. It was related to the CA and CS practices. And however, I am a lawyer. I practice here in Delhi High Court. So I thought, okay, let's just give it a try. Let's just see what it actually is. Because over the past 1 year, I could not really make my mind as to whether I should really go about it or not, because I'm doing pretty well in litigation. So I thought, let's just give it a go. And I enrolled myself. I started with the course. The first 3 months were pretty good, actually. And I started doing all the assignments and all of those things. So one thing that I would really like to point out over here is that as soon as I made my Upwork profile, the problem that I faced in the very beginning was that I could not land up my first client. This was a kind of a hurdle for me because I've never done this sort of a thing. I've never done freelancing in my life. So I got in touch with one of the mentors. Her name is Amrita. So she really helped me out. I would really like to thank her because she helped me with my first freelancing opportunity. I remember I used to message her even at 10 in the night, and she has actually really helped me out with this. And Brinda, she's my course anchor. Actually, she has really helped me a lot. And this is something I would really like to appreciate because everybody has a professional and a personal life, right? But I would really like to appreciate my course mentor because she has actually, even Amrita and Brinda, they have actually replied to me even at 10 in the night, because there were times that I have faced some very small issues and I could not really book a call for it. And I was going through like just one particular thing that I am not able to solve, and the client has already booked a meeting with me and I really had to give an answer to that. So at that particular point of time, Brinda ma'am had actually helped me a lot. Like even today, I had a meeting with her. So this is something that I would really like to appreciate. And of course, like Amrita ma'am, she helped me a lot with my freelancing journey. So yeah, I landed my first freelancing opportunity. It was for $10 only, and I did that work for a month. The thing was that money was not really something that I was looking forward to. It was just the experience and the things that I will learn through that one particular month. So that is something that actually gave me a push. So that $10 gave me a push. I actually got motivated and I just thought that, okay, let's just give it a try and let's just work on Upwork on day-to-day basis. So I just gave 2 hours a day on Upwork. Like apart from the court's time, I used to come back in the evening and I used to give 2 hours a day only for Upwork. So that was fixed. So like in the month of April and May, I was able to crack 2 big opportunities. The reason being, by the time I was also reading the course material and I was also going through multiple interviews and I was penning down each of the thing, like whatever questions that I came through in the previous interview. And if I did not have an answer for that, I would pen it down and I would do the research work and I would get in touch with my course anchor and I would just do a brief research about that particular thing. So yeah, I started my freelancing journey from March. And in the month of March, I was able to earn $10. However, in the month of April and May, I've been able to go up to $900 a month. This is something that has actually boosted my confidence, and I'm really hoping to do this particular thing full time. And let's see how it goes about in the near future. I usually land up clients from US, and the first course that I have done right now is related with what we actually call US corporate compliance. So the kind of clients that I land up with are usually related with US company incorporation and the business contracts post incorporation, compliance work and due diligence. So I am yet to enroll myself in the next 4 courses because I had enrolled in the business bootcamp. So I still have more courses to go about. Yes, 2 full-time clients and 8 part-time projects. Thank you so much.